You can paint me in your shadows, try to write me out the frame, but every scar they tried to hide spells my name. I can try to control what I show, what I say, what I hold, what I own, but you can't stop the sound of my soul. Can't cage the echo, it's louder than you'll ever know. You can't stop the sound of my soul. You can chain up both my hands, try to lock my tongue in place. Still the truth inside my chest starts to shake the gate. Every whisper turns to thunder, every breath a war drum roll. You can drown me in your silence, I still glow. I can try to control what I show, what I say, what I hold, what I own, but you can't stop the sound of my soul. Can't cage the echo, it's louder than you'll ever know. You can't stop the sound of my soul. Write your rules in stone. I can try to control what I show, what I say, what I hold, what I own, but you can't stop the sound of my soul. Can't cage the echo, it's louder than you'll ever know. You can't stop the sound of my soul. I will never bow, I will never bend, I will never break. That's the vow I'm carrying to the